Have you ever felt disconnected or have gone through days in a zombie mood? Can you recognize the difference between getting sad and going sad? And what are the small changes you can just start doing now to better your life? I'm asking it because how many times have you heard that famous saying, nothing changes if nothing changes? We stay all the same, but deep inside, we still hope things will change. But basically, it's just what we've always heard. For something to change, there needs to be change. I'm not here to trigger our emotions and tell you that everything will be okay. No, it'll be okay when you make it okay, because your life is in your hands and in your hands only. And yeah, we're human, we're vulnerable. My brain can guide and influence me in certain ways in how I act and even react to things. But it won't determine how I behave all the time. I just can't let it do that anymore. And I know there will still be setbacks and I might even feel bad. But that doesn't mean I'm going bad. Can you see that? Can you understand the difference? But sometimes I feel a bit disconnected, man. I think that's natural for everyone. And you know, sometimes I fall apart. I feel like I'm going through my days in a zombie mood, just living in a battle, waking up to kill my lions only, and staying in a constant battle against my demons. But you know what? One of the most important lessons I've got from my therapist this year is this. Nobody owes me a thing. Seriously, nobody owes you a thing, man. The world doesn't owe us anything, my friend. Life's happening, the world's going on, we're all changing every single day, always trying to get better, always trying to improve ourselves, while others are trying to prove themselves. And I honestly hope that one day the mask of super person that we created to use on social medias will end. But that doesn't mean things don't change. Listen again, that doesn't mean things don't change. Another important lesson I learned from my therapist this year too is that living in all or nothing mood brings a lot of harm. And one of them is stuck in myself before I even start doing little things. I didn't allow myself to start small. I didn't allow myself to go to the gym for a simple half an hour workout. I was used to already keep in mind the scenario of an intense 2.5 hour workout. So come on, man, that's my advice. You just need to do it. Start by changing some things or nothing will change. Take it easy, make changes at your own pace. Get up a bit earlier, do a workout. It doesn't need to be epic. You don't need to do a 3-hour leg workout. But just get up and do something now and today. Push yourself hard. Go hard. But don't forget to take it easy on yourselves. And they'll say, oh, it's not that simple. And that's how they'll try to make you give up. And honestly, I'm not here to determine what is wrong or right. It's not my role here. I'm just a common guy following his curiosity. Simply want more people to see that they're not alone. And there are others feeling exactly how they feel. I want them to see that their behavior is not insane, that they have a disease and it's not their fault. Probably you've already heard that old saying, people don't change. I don't know about you, but I know people change. I do know people change. And I see it every day. I see people getting better. I see when light shines in their eyes. There was a man who died about 2,000 years ago exactly for this reason. And what I mean is there's a strength, there's a force, a power that can be found right there deep inside. And this power may change and transform what may happen from now on. Many people go through years feeling that they can change, but they make no effort. They don't want to get into the game because they think it takes too much time and doesn't work. They simply give up and let their lives go on. And I can understand those people who just let it go. They prefer to hold themselves into a belief and standard through all their lives, trying to feel somehow they are in the control over the unknown, but wonder the idea of just being born to live life and reproduce. That's scary, bro. And man, let me give you advice. The unknown will accompany you, so it's better you face it. You will feel pain, of course, in this process, but facing the unknown and opening up to what it brings will cause you much more than just pain. Just wonder. You moved from one city to another and felt pain. You moved from one relationship to another and felt pain. You moved from one job to another and felt how tough was the transition. See change as growth. See change as transformation. See change as evolution. See change as necessary. See change as critical. See change as unavoidable. But it don't allow things to make you give up. You're not a mistake. You're a strong and smart life. get it. Trust in God, trust in yourself until say, yes, I'm going to act. I'm going to go another step because nothing changes if nothing changes, man. And you know what? How about starting by planning what you will do each day? How about including one new fruit and one new vegetable in your lunch every month? How about waking up just 20 minutes earlier, listening to that music you love and organizing your workspace? That's what you need to do. Make these small changes. Start each day with a new and small step. And you'll get surprised at how small things, small changes can accumulate and can become huge things. Keep that with you. Nothing changes if nothing changes. Listen again. Nothing changes if nothing changes. My name is Wes, I'm 26 from Brazil, and I'm just a common man following his curiosity. Also, I bring some language educational content to this channel. Drop a comment below if you have any experience to share, if you have anything to contribute. Thanks for sticking to the end. God bless y'all. Cheer, buddies.